Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to Itselifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Itselifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, you are looking at the beautiful skyline of Jacksonville, Florida. This video is going to be a realistic evening routine. And I currently work in downtown Jacksonville, so I just wanted to start the video with a beautiful view of downtown Jacksonville before I get in this traffic and head home on this beautiful Monday evening. Okay, so I have select days in which I have to go into the office, and this is one of those days. So the day pretty much ends, of course, in traffic getting home. I am just thinking about what I need before I get home, and I need some wine. So I'm going to stop and get me a bottle of wine. So I'm going to go ahead and place my wine in the freezer so it can get cold, and then I'm just going to check around and see what I can take out to cook for a Monday evening dinner that won't take too much time. Okay, so pretty much within my first 30 minutes of arriving home, I strip. That's what you guys didn't get to see. But I take off my work clothes and I get in something a little bit more comfortable. I'm just wearing a house dress and just reviewing some of the mail that came in over the last few days. I did have a package from Amazon that came in as well. I have absolutely fell in love with these Rice Krispie home style treats, and Walmart was out of them, so of course I went and ordered a large quantity from Amazon. So normally when I get home, I try to do a little bit of housework, not much, because I'm typically very, very tired from the work day, especially when I have to go into the office. But there is a few dishes in the sink, so I just want to go ahead and tackle them so there is less to do at the end of the night. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So, like most of us, I do have my fair share of time that I spend on social media. I try not to spend that much time on social media, especially during work nights, because I know that I need to get my rest. But I'm going to try to go ahead and respond to some comments for you guys. From you guys, I always like to check my emails and just check Facebook, Instagram. You know the drill. Okay, lifestyle lovers, it's about 7:30 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on dinner. I typically like to have a glass of wine while I make dinner. I'll listen to some Pandora and have me some wine and just enjoy the dinner making process. If you're wondering where my son is, he is 12, about to be 13 in about a month or so. So he's already home once I get home from work. Homework is already done per him, if he has any, and he pretty much goes outside and plays with his friends, football, basketball, tag, whatever they do, and then he'll come in the house before it gets dark. Okay, so for dinner, I have decided on some shrimp and scallops Alfredo. So this is a bag of scallops that I purchased from Walmart. I'm not going to use the entire bag, but I'm just going to take a few out of the bag, go ahead and season them up and saute them. They are really large, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them in halves just to spread them out throughout the Alfredo. Alexa, play Pandora.
Bobby Brown Radio from Erica's Pandora.
Alexa, play Anita Baker Radio.
Anita Baker Radio from Erica's Pandora.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, I forgot to share the Alfredo that I am using, but it is prepackaged. It's made by Zatarain's. It's the shrimp Alfredo, and it is so good. It has chunks of frozen sauce in it, and it just melts down in the pan. Now, the shrimp are not that big. They're almost like salad shrimp. I'll show you guys just how big the shrimp is. So sometimes I will make shrimp Alfredo and I will just buy me some fresh shrimp and just add them to this Alfredo sauce. It's restaurant quality in my opinion. But this time I'm just going to go ahead and just add in some scallops just to make it a scallop Alfredo. This is just how small the shrimp are, but the sauce and the noodles are really, really good. So just add seafood. I've actually added salmon as well to this Alfredo sauce, and it is really, really good. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So, just to keep it real, most nights me and my son do not eat the same meals for dinner. He loves Publix chicken. So, this is some chicken from Publix as well as some garlic bread. This is what he's going to have for dinner. I am going to have the scallop Alfredo for dinner, and everybody is going to be happy. So in the beginning, you guys see me saute the scallops and I just set them to the side. So I'm just adding them back in the Alfredo sauce. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So I'm not sure that you know this about me, but I like to eat in my bedroom. Typically, I will eat in my bedroom. There are times when I will, sit down at the counter and eat, but for the most part, I'm eating in my bedroom. As long as it's not like crabs or anything, I will eat in my bedroom. So I am just eating and watching some YouTube. Okay, so now that my belly is good and full, it is bath time. Now, typically I take a shower, but Mondays are my most busiest and stressful days. So tonight, I think I'm going to take me a nice, relaxing bath. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So everyone has ate, everyone has had their bath and their showers. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's really, really close to bedtime. So I'm just going ahead and blowing out the candles, checking the door to make sure it's locked, and just getting ready to go to bed for the night. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So, although I am all ready for bed, my night is not complete until I talk to my daughter first. Sometimes I can catch my grandsons still up, but this particular night they had already went to bed. He usually be up this time of night.
Not around here, you don't.
Yes, he do. Baby, he was up last night. It was about 10 o'clock.
Not no more.
What you doing? Okay, lifestyle lovers, as you can see, I am ready for bed. I have my scarf on. I have applied all of my skincare. I have my eye cream. And before I close my eyes, I like to read my nighttime daily devotional. So that's what I am doing. But this is a realistic evening in my life. Every day is not the same. On Tuesdays, my son has step practice and I like to walk and exercise. So a Tuesday is very, very different from a Monday. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Good night.